Okay, so this is beautiful. So the other day, my son and I were at the library and we rented this game of checkers, and unbeknownst to me, we played it all the time. The whole family did. So I decided to get one for Christmas. But this one is chess and checkers. Be careful with it because this is a gift. This one is magnetic, which is really important to me because my son is so hyper. And when we were playing many times, he like hit the table accidentally and knocked everything off. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so this is beautiful. Look at the two-tone. This is actual wood, real wood. I know, it's amazing in 2022. That's so nice. It has that little lip. Okay, and then you open these little latches. Let's see. Oh, guys, look at this. So these are the checkers and you have two-tone. Oh, I love this because it has the little pieces. They're individual. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And that's the magnet on the bottom. Oh, these are beautiful. All right, let me pull two out so we can compare them on a white background. And then these are the chess pieces. Now, I don't know anything about chess, but my son wants to learn, so I guess we're gonna learn. I love how the foam is all cut specific to the piece so that these are staying in place. Now, I wonder if I turn this over if it'll stay in place. So that way, like say you were playing checkers, you didn't have to take all of those out. It's all for the cause. Let's find out. Let's see. Okay, so that answers that. Bigger pieces did not stay in, but that's okay. Yeah, so the kings are 3 inches. These are almost 3 inches. And then your little guys, I think they're called pawns. I don't remember. My mom tried to teach me. I didn't listen. Like 1 1/4. Ugh. But look at the craftsmanship on these. Look at that. Oh, these are beautiful. These are so nice. Okay, and then here are the checkers. I guess like when you get to the other end, you have to king somebody, you have to put 2 together like that and stack them like that. Just for clarification, these all stayed in place. It was only the bigger ones of these that fell out. Let's test that theory again. Round 2. Oh, okay, yeah. So just pull out these really big pieces. Lays completely flat. That's really cool. Oh, I love it. See, staying in place. Oh, this is fantastic. We are gonna use this all the time. I'm trying to put it here so you can see the contrast. Guys, this is beautiful. Okay, this is a full-size board, by the way, and the total dimensions are 15 inches across and it's 2 inches deep. It has 24 checkers and it does come with 2 extra queens. I love this. I love that you can travel with it and I love that it's magnetic. I'm so here for that because if you were on a road trip in a bigger vehicle, you could absolutely put this out on the back seat. Definitely at a hotel, on the plane. I love it. I'm so happy. So happy with this set. I mean, the quality of this, yes, please. And I love these colors. I mean, I love them. This looks like something from like the past. Oh, this is really beautiful. I'm so happy with this. And then just push it shut, latch. And it does come with a book of rules, which is nice because I do not know how to play chess, but this is 5 stars for me. 2 thumbs up and extra thumbs if I had them. I am so excited to open this on Christmas morning with the kids, so now I have to put it away and pretend I've never seen it. You guys enjoyed that. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.